Hi guys! Thank you so much for the 5,000 subscribers. To celebrate that, we are doing a beach cleanup. Actually, there's a campaign here in Panglao inviting everyone to come if they want to participate the coastal cleanup. We're so happy to contribute to the community. And maybe this is the better way of celebrating my 5K subscribers instead of those fancy stuff.
Paying it forward.
We need to be the one to move because change starts with us. Charot! Ganun. The beach is so beautiful, but we still have to clean it because it's always a pain in the eyes. And we have volunteers here to pick up the trashes. Hi guys, where are your trash bags? Where are your trash bags? Why did you come here without trash bags? Huh? Ay, totally, ay. That's my helper there. The Frenchman. See that one? It's so fresh. Freshly thrown. So I don't know why people will throw this on the beach. That's really sad. Still.
How many?
I don't know, I didn't count. But I want to pick 5,000 trashes for my 5,000 subscribers to say thank you! After cleaning, ta-da! Special thanks to everyone who participated in the beach cleanup today for your time and effort to help Mother Earth. May this video help raise awareness for people to stop throwing their garbage everywhere and to take care of our environment. Thank you again, my 5K subscribers, for inspiring me to continue to make more videos. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.